Hey guys, welcome back to Santana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Callaloo stuffed fried dumplings. So I'm just going to get the flour and I'm going to put in my bowl. Alright, so I'm going to use 2 cups of flour. And I have, right here, I have salt, sugar, and butter. So I'm just pour this in. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Alright guys, so I'm going to pour a little water. I'm not going to pour everything in. Alright, so now I have a spoon. I'm just going to use it, mix it around. If it needs more water, then I will add it. Like now, I'm going to add some more water. Alright guys, so this is the flour, the dough. So I'm just going to leave it aside for 10 minutes and then get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let the callaloo steam some more. And then I will remove it and let it cool and then make the dumplings. But first I'm going to add some coconut powder to this. I like adding coconut milk to callaloo. Tastes better, so. Alright. So I'm just going to let this steam down some more for 5 minutes and then remove it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to make the dumpling. Alright, so let me get a piece of the flour. Get a piece more. Alright, so I'm going to flat it out. If you guys want to, you can use a rolling pin. I'm just going to use my hand. Flat it out like this. And then I'm going to put a spoonful of the callaloo in it. Now let me get the callaloo. Alright. To bring it up like this. Make sure that I lock all the end parts so the callaloo don't, leak out. Put a little more on this one. Okay. Make sure I lock these parts. I'm going to do one more and then do the rest off camera. Just repeat the same process. Alright guys, I'm going to test the oil and see if it's hot. Piece of dumpling in there. Alright, so I'm going to add the dumplings to the pot right now. Okay. I'm going to let them fry on each side for 5 minutes or until golden brown. This one. See how pretty it looks? Okay. Alright. I'm going to add the rest. I just have 2 more to add to it. Let me turn this one up here. So I guess the one ready to turn as well. Alright, let me turn it. Alright guys, so I'm just turning them like every 4 minutes. I turn them on each side. Yeah, so I turn the heat down so it can cook properly and don't burn. Alright guys, so I'm going to remove these and put them on some paper towel so it can absorb the oil. These are finished, so you guys will see the finished product soon. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here. Stuffed callaloo fried dumpling. Yes, this is it.